Well, rain that's already fallen coupled with rain that's on the way could bring flooding to parts of the state. The Twin Cities in central Minnesota could potentially see the largest amounts of precipitation. John Lauritsen joins us now from Blaine. And John, there's always concern over flash flooding when we see weather like this.
Yeah, that's right, Britt, and Joseph was talking about that as well. And of course, in south central Minnesota, they already had a flash flood alert, a warning, or a watch rather, from this morning as well. So if the weather holds, some areas could see up to 5 inches of rain or more in the coming days. Depending on how much rain falls over the next few days, the flooding risk could linger even longer. As a result, the Department of Public Safety is asking people to be safe during a flash flood watch. That means avoiding areas subject to flooding, typically lowland areas. Do not park along streams or rivers, and keep up to date on news from local authorities as waters can rise quickly. Kevin Reed, Homeland Security and Management Director of Minnesota, says if you do experience a flash flood, here's what you need to know.
If you get caught in your car, the best thing to do, safely get out as fast as you can before you start to move or before anything starts to happen, and then get to as high ground, as we spoke about, high ground as possible.
Yeah, the biggest takeaway, he says, is turn around, don't drown. You don't know how deep that water is, and of course a lot of those roadways, Barrett, can be washed out underneath those flash flood areas. So some good things to keep in mind in the coming days. Hopefully it doesn't come to this, but we've seen in the past, even a year ago, in June of last year, we saw some flash flooding in Waterville and other parts of the state. So again, Barrett, pretty good advice here, and just keep in mind, again, you never know how deep that water is once you start to drive through it.
Yeah, important safety tips. Thanks, John.